Hey Forkers, do you want a quick delicious one-pot curry? Well, hit subscribe and come right back. Hey Forkers, so this is a dish that's been in rotation in our family for probably almost a decade. It's from a Looney Tunes recipe that we modified, made completely plant-based, and took out all the oil and other bad stuff. Not that it's a bad recipe, we just healthified it a little bit. Here's how you make it. You're gonna get a pot going on medium, splash a little bit of water in there. You don't need oil, you can just water saute these vegetables. Throw in 1 chopped green pepper, or whatever color pepper you got, along with some onions. A cup of onions is good, 1 medium onion should do, and 3 cloves of minced garlic. You're gonna let that cook for about 3 minutes until the vegetables soften. Next, you're gonna make your spice mixture. 1½ teaspoon curry, 1½ teaspoon of chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Normally, I would also have 1.5 tablespoons of ginger root. We ran out, so unfortunately I had to use powdered ginger here. Not ideal, but what are you gonna do when you're cooking in isolation? So you're gonna throw the spice mixture in and stir it all up. Make sure that coats the vegetables nicely. Next, you're gonna throw in a can of light coconut milk, along with a 1/4 cup of mango chutney, or whatever chutney you have. In a pinch, you could also use jam if that's all you got in the house, but mango chutney is the best for this. The zest of 1/2 a lemon. Mix that all up, make sure it's nice golden yellow color. And now you're gonna mix in 3 cups of cooked chickpeas, as well as 1 golden delicious apple. I mean, in a pinch, you can use whatever apple you have, but a golden delicious apple does make a difference. I left the skin on, but usually when my wife makes this, she takes the skins off. You're gonna mix that all up, get it to a nice simmer, put a lid on it, and cook it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you're gonna add 1/2 cup of frozen peas and mix it all up until the peas are heated through. You're also gonna wanna serve this on a bed of grains. So I should probably preface this while saying you should make some rice at this point if that's what you're gonna serve it on. You could also serve this on a bed of lettuce if you really wanted to, but I do recommend a grain because it's gonna soak up the beautiful juices. Serve this over any grain of your choice. You could use rice like we're using. You could use farro, quinoa would work. Whatever strikes your fancy, really. So technically if you're cooking a grain, it's a 2-pot meal. Don't tell anyone. This thing is delicious. You can make it in huge portions because it stores in the fridge really well. It is loved by everyone in our family. So make this often, smash it into your mouth. Let us know if you liked it and if you made any modifications to it. If you want to kick up the spice, you could add some more chili powder to it, you could add some more curry, whatever you wanted to do. We love this meal. It's one of our family's favorites and I hope you love it too. If you do, send pictures. Let me know if you made any modifications whatsoever. Leave some comments below. Let me know what you thought of it. Like, subscribe, share, do all those things. Bye, Forkers.